Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on pound dollar, we are definitely drifting down a little bit as of recently, but I still think that this move down will make a higher low, and it will eventually go up and take out these highs. I still think it needs to go up and eventually take out these highs, probably all the way up to about the 161% Fibonacci extension, to make what most likely is a wave C if you zoom out on the monthly. So taking it down to the weekly, I still think it's very clear that this first push up is a wave 1. I still think this middle section is a running flat wave 2. If that's true, that makes this right here 1 of 3. This is a subdivision 2 of 3, and eventually I think it's going to keep going up to make that wave 3, 4, and 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily. On the daily, I think it's very obvious we are going down right now, which I'm not even convinced that the move down is over. I still think this 5 waves up is a wave 1. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a leading diagonal wave A. I think that this right here is 3 waves up. It's just a higher high wave B, and that makes this move down probably a wave C. Wave C's can make a higher high than the wave A, but I think it's pretty likely that it will go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement, take out the low of wave 4, take out the low of wave A, make a wave C, which would be an ABC of 2, and eventually keep on going up for a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the market has been very, very slow. We've had a lot of holidays, and technically today is a big holiday for the Europe and the UK, so could be a pretty slow day today also. I think if anything, maybe it will pop up a little, but even if it does pop up, it's just going to be a crescent to the downtrend. I personally think that going long on sort of time frames is a little dangerous because there's definitely no guarantee that it's going to go up and take out these highs before it goes down. It could easily just kind of drift around for another day or so and then eventually just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it does kind of seem more likely that it will drift up, maybe even grab these highs right here. But like I said, there's no guarantee of that. The trend is down on all the higher time frames, which tells me it might just kind of drift around a little while and then eventually just keep going down. If it does make a nice move to the upside, it could be a pretty tradable opportunity, especially for scalpers. But I still think that the real money is going to be made looking and waiting for sorting opportunities at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.